Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 2 ways to sharpen like a video on CapCut. Super simple. You are just going to either select the video and you are going to select adjust, go to sharpen and sharpen the video here. As you can see, it creates a difference, sorry. Or you can go to effects here and go to video effects and find the sharpen one. I think it's in retro. I'm not sure where it's been moved. Yeah, it's still on retro. Select it and press the checkmark button and add it on top of your video. And as you can see, it sharpens the video a little bit more. You can also adjust the effect if you want to adjust the intensity of the sharpness of the effect. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!